Happy birthday. Boy, what they got? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tink, and I'm back with another video. Make some noise, y'all. What the fuck? Y'all, I need to stop leaving and coming back. I need to stop leaving and coming back for real, because people be waiting for my video to stop. Y'all got him right here in the cat with my twin. See, come here. But y'all, by the title, y'all know we finna get into for these past 2 days, because tomorrow is my son's birthday, and we're going out of town to Baltimore to the aquarium. And well, hopefully we get to go to the aquarium, because like y'all, it's just too much, like too much to explain right now. But right now, I'm waiting for the grocery store so I can cook, and I'm waiting for my friend to come over here with her son. But y'all, it's currently 7:39 on December 8th. My son's birthday is tomorrow, December 9th. Y'all, I be ordering groceries on Amazon, so I'm gonna see. They say you're the next stop. Yeah, they say you're the next stop. But I'm trying to show y'all when my groceries come. I gotta see. Y'all, he keep coming to this door. Come here, come here, come here, come here. He act like he's shy. Come here. But I will see y'all when I'm getting my groceries. I might show y'all. I don't know. It depends. It depends how he acting, y'all. Cause let me show y'all. He all over the place. Say hey.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told that like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you.
Stink this much. You can hear when it's coming. That shit loud. Hey, your first trip. Say hey. Say hi. We on the train right now, heading to Baltimore. You want to sit? Where you want to sit at? Right here? You want to sit right here?
Sit down.
Alright, go ahead. We're on the train right now, heading to Baltimore, y'all. It's early in the morning. 6:12. Hold up, y'all. Let me put this. It's 6:12 in the morning. It's currently 6:38 right now. Right now, I think we are stapling me up. Right now, I'm good. Yeah, I'm so sleepy. Look at him. Say hey, Stink. Tell the people it's your birthday. Oh, he don't want to say nothing to the camera. He acting crazy. I don't be acting like that. It's my people. But y'all, I'm really sleepy. Like, I'll probably take a nap, y'all. I don't know. It really depends. I'll probably take a nap. But we gonna see how this goes. We got what time we arrive? Let me see what time we arrive. We will arrive at 9:56. We will arrive 9:56. So I will see y'all soon. Stay tuned, y'all.
They take my piece, push a piece. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got shot at cost back. Drop the data, now we play.
Y'all, we just made it to Baltimore. Currently, what time is it? It's 10:17, y'all. We just got the train just now, like literally just now. Literally just now. Seriously. But we gotta find where we going, cause we don't know where we going. Lighting bad. We gotta find out where we going, cause we don't know where we going. So y'all when we get to the train station. So I don't know where we going, but yeah.
With you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do better like you do. You do.
Right now we're ready to go to Walmart. We're at the hotel now. We got to the hotel like 30 minutes ago. Wait, we ready? Go to Walmart, pick up a cake. All right, pick up a cake. Go to Papa's because we was real hungry. We eat here, and after that we going to the aquarium. We're going to the aquarium and we're vlogs tomorrow, so y'all gotta stay tuned. Y'all, we ready to get it. This light is so bad. I'm so sad. What's wrong with Ashika, baby? Y'all ready to get a cake? Like, I'm ready to get a cake. Hopefully they got some. Let's say like they have birthday, but ma'am, are y'all open? Yeah. Oh. So we found a little cake. Huh? It's small. You can just put like HBD and then the name. Okay, y'all. So we got the cake. Y'all, we got the cake right now. She put in some money. Like we had to find something like simple because these are the pieces they had, and they said they don't have no cake decorated. So we gotta what? We gotta make it work. So yeah. Right, come on. Okay, y'all, we just made it to the aquarium. This outfit, y'all. Still, let me see your outfit. Let me see your outfit. Hold on, let me put it on you. Don't take your coat off. Yeah. Junior, what's wrong? Show y'all, it looks so cute out here. So cute. Huh? No. Look at the water. It looks so cute. Come on, babe. Y'all couldn't bring my tripod, so don't mind me if I'm holding the camera weird because come on, babe. Look at him. Hey. Hey. Let's sing dance. Looks so cute. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. I'm finna head to Groove Flies right now. It's 3:08. It's 3:08, y'all, and we finna go to Groove Flies, but we getting ready right now. I'm ready to brush my teeth and wash my face, so you gotta stay tuned. Last night we did that, all that good stuff. So where the fuck my earring go? That shit really came out again. If you my own. Boy, what they got? Boy, what they losing by? For the Chargers. Huh?
I just wanna take you out and show you out. You already know that you're the perfect one. And when I'm with you, feel like a champ.
Hi. They know. Come on, babe. Don't be scared. Look. Hey,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say cheese.
Merry Christmas.
Say cheese. They
Say Merry Christmas.
say cheese to Santa so we can go.
Say bye.
you
Merry
so
Christmas.
What's
Okay.
the matter, big guy? Oh, it's okay.
Thank you.
All right, you ready?
Say bye bye. You wave with the camera. I'm gonna blow you out. It's okay. Thank you. Like, y'all see this? Like, there's so many kids. Like, I don't know if I can record and do this because I gotta watch over him and me. But I can just try to get what I can. But I don't. I'm gonna record. So I'll just see y'all later. Hey, go. You getting wet, babe? You getting wet? Yeah, babe. You like too much going on. You playing with your water? No, y'all getting crazy. Y'all trying to get as much footage as I can because we in the water here. Oh, my camera messed up, so I'm gonna just see y'all when I get to something else I can record y'all. So I'm gonna just see y'all when I get to record anything else. So I'm gonna see y'all. He irritating, act like he don't wanna do nothing. He irritating, like look at him. He irritating all on me, like I'm trying to. Go over there, babe. Go. Go. Get it, babe. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Girl, he's so like, I don't know, like, look how he act. He's so small. My baby's so small. Yeah, babe. Get that one. Y'all, we swimming right now. Say hey, babe. Look at him. He's so little. Say hey to the camera, babe. Come on. Come this way. You ugly. You ugly. Say hi, babe. Why you looking at her? Look at them. Bro, they ugly. Move. You ready? No, you're not getting no chips. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Steve. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Say 2. How old are you? Say 2. How old are you? Say 2. How old are you? Put some cake on his face. May God bless you. Hi, bless you. Oh, bitch. No, sir. Blow it out.
Nah, baby, he too. He needs some cake on his face. Put that cake on your face. Blow the candle out. Woo! Wish, make a wish.
Blow it out first. Look. Make a wish. Blow it. Say.
Blow it.
Blow.
Not you.
Blow it. Say.
Woo! Get some cake on your face.
Yay, babe.
Say, get some cake on my face. It's my birthday. She's scared.
Y'all, it's the last day we here and we leaving now. We waiting for the our lift coming 10 minutes. So, but yeah, it's the end of this video and it's 1:38. Our train coming at 2:20 something. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I like post. And stay tuned with your girl.